Hello friends, today we are going to learn CVC words. Words with at sound. Your first word is cat. Bat. Rat. Mat. Hat. Fat. So now kids, this is your practice time. So let's start. Can you help me in finding my first word? Thank you so much. Yes, it is R. R sounds rat. Can you tell me what letters should be filled in this blank? Yes, very good. H. H sounds hat. Hat. Now, can you tell me which letter should you put in this blank? Yes, very good. F. F sounds fat. And the last one, what should be put in this blank? Yes, cat. Thank you for watching my videos. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.